Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very good day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you download CapCut in Android. So at first, just go to Play Store on your phone. You need to log in or sign up to an account. After signing up, just click on the top search bar and search for CapCut. After searching for CapCut, here you can see CapCut app. Now just click on install button, the green one beside CapCut. I'm gonna show you another way to download CapCut if CapCut is banned in your region. Just go back and search for a VPN, just like I'm searching for 1.1.1.1. Because I have already downloaded it, I'm just opening it. Now just connect the VPN. After connecting the VPN, just go to Google and search for CapCut APK. Now just go to any website. Here you can see latest version option, click on it. Just click on download, the green one. You may need to hold for a few seconds to get the app. So guys, this is how can you download CapCut in Android. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.